Hello, feline fools. So here is a cat I am fostering. I just brought her home. This will be my second fostering experience. First time was a mom cat and her 4 kittens. And this time it's just a one female adult cat. So I just brought her home and letting her out. So this was kind of unexpected, and I wasn't ready. I wanted to get the kitten room ready, but instead I decided to just keep her in this room. So there's not much in here, just the blanket, and this is a bed. I'm probably gonna put that right on top of the crate to kind of have like a space so that it can kind of perch on. And then I figure I'll get some more cat stuff along the way, but yeah, so she's gonna check out her place. She's a friendly cat. I just figured she was an abandoned cat, like she had a home, but then she was just left out on the street on her own. So I was contacted last night and I was ready to foster again. So yeah, she's gonna stay in here for now. All right. Checking out the window. So I got to get something in front of the window here so she can perch, look out the window here. All right. Well, just wanted to introduce the new foster cat and provide updates of what's going on and what led to this. So stay tuned for that. All right. Well, that's it for now. And remember, I'm a sucker for kitties. Thanks for watching.